Welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to talk about a Houzez theme customization. So Houzez is a real estate solution for WordPress. So what you're seeing is one of the demos. It looks really beautiful. Right, so what we are going to see is creating a listing. As part of the create listing process, there are multiple sections, and each section, as you can see here, with the title of description, media, details, features, and location, etc. So what we're going to see is how we can tackle an issue on the location section. So to demonstrate the problem, I'm going to reload the page. And we're going to go on to the section location. So as you can see, the map is loaded with a zoomed in view that I'm not happy with. So the question is, how can we adjust the zoom level, whether it's possible through the configuration in the backend, or it has to be some sort of override. So when checking the backend under map settings, unfortunately, there's no option to adjust the zoom level. So we leave this as is and find a way to tackle this. So the option is to override that setting, which is in JavaScript, but do that in such a way that we don't override the original file. So the JavaScript file that we are looking for is located under Houzez.js, and it's called submit-property-osm.js. As previously mentioned, this is the original file that we don't want to overwrite. Instead, we have to do that under child theme. By going to that child theme and JS folder, we copy that file across and then edit the file. So this is the folder structure that we just saw, and leaving the original file as is, and then edit the JavaScript file here. The default zoom level is 15. So that's why we are seeing the map very zoomed in. So we have to change that to a number that works for you. In my case, zoom 4 would be ideal. So I'm going to save that, then come back to FileZilla, and then upload the file. Let's go back to the location page and then refresh it. Then go to location. So there is no change. It's because WordPress by default caches all the JavaScript files. So we have to make the cache expire. We can do that with a simple trick. Under child theme, functions.php, there is a version number of the Houzez theme. We can simply increase the version number and then copy that file across. Once uploaded, let's go back to the page and then reload it. Then go to location. Now you can see the change. It gives you a better overview of where the location is, which country it is, and which continent it is. Obviously, you can adjust the zoom level as you see fit. Hope you enjoyed this simple trick and look out for other videos. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching.